Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I will be showing you how to make aloe vera hair oil using coconut oil, which is very good for your hair. To make this oil, you will be needing one entire leaf of the aloe vera plant. If you have a plant, then you can cut it at the thickest portion of the plant, which would be usually the old one. And if you buy it from the market, you make sure that you get a thicker one where the pulp is more, the gel is more. So once you cut the aloe vera leaf, you need to keep it in inverted position so that the orange sticky substance which it has will be drained out. This is not required for your hair or for your skin. So this is the one which I have got. So after you have drained everything out, then you need to cut this. To cut it, you just have to scrape out the sharp portion of the leaf which is on the either side of it. So this will make it easier for you to cut it into pieces. So to cut, you need to just scrape or peel off the top portion of the leaf like so. So be careful with your hands. Aloe vera is a very versatile plant. It is very good for your health, for your hair, and even for your skin. It contains enzymes which repair dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair shiny and smooth. Regularly using this aloe vera gel on your hair promotes hair growth. It also prevents dandruff and conditions your hair. So after peeling the top portion of the leaf, I'm going to scoop out the gel. I'll be getting at least 1 cup of the gel from one leaf, which will be enough for at least 100 to 150 ml of the coconut oil which I will be using. So after just taking out scooping out all the gel, I'm going to wash it in order to remove the gooey or sticky nature of this gel. So once I wash it, this is ready for to be used in the oil. The washed water can be just used to rinse your hair. Otherwise, you can just make a natural shampoo. You can use the water to make the natural shampoo, the shampoo powder which I have shown in my earlier videos. The next step would be to just cut the gel into small pieces so that it is easy for you to grind it into a smooth paste. So here is the gel, and which is about to be ground into a not even a smooth paste. You can just grind it. Even if you have chunks of the gel left in the jar, it's okay. So I'm using a clay pot here. If you don't have this, then you can use a thick bottomed pan to make this oil. After transferring the gel into the clay pot, I'm going to add at least 150 ml of the coconut oil. This is pure coconut oil which I have. You can also use the store-bought coconut oil. And this is very good combination. Aloe vera and coconut oil are rich in vitamins and minerals, and also this helps to keep your hair strong and healthy. The next step is to just lit the stove and place this thick bottomed clay pot on it and reduce the flame and let it cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes initially, and then you have to check it time and again so that you don't burn the gel. So this is I am keeping this in direct fire. You don't have to use the double boiler method here because the aloe vera gel has to cook. I have used it on the direct flame. So you keep checking. Once it starts bubbling, then it is a good indication that the aloe vera gel is liberating its goodness into the oil. Once it starts bubbling, then at least in another 10 minutes this oil will be ready. So you need to keep a thorough check on it. So once you find that the bubbling has stopped, then this is the sign that you should put off the stove. So after putting off the stove, after it cools, you need to strain it. During the process of cooling, the aloe vera gel may again start turning into brown color because of the heat of the oil. Then you don't have to worry. The oil is just good enough. So after cooling the oil, you need to transfer it into a bottle, and you can keep this for more than 2 months at room temperature. To use it daily, you need to just make partitions, apply this oil along the length of your hair, keep it for 2 to 3 hours and wash off with mild shampoo. So the oil is very good. If you want more such DIYs, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.